In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your onboarding workflow in Asana. By the end, you'll have a streamlined system that assigns the right tasks, sets due dates automatically, and keeps your onboarding consistent every time. First, log into Asana and open your onboarding project. This is the central space where you track everything a new hire needs to complete, from paperwork to team introductions. If you have multiple teams or portfolios, make sure you're in the correct workspace and select the specific onboarding project from the sidebar. It helps to use clear sections or a timeline view so you can see how tasks flow from start to finish. Next, look to the top right of your project and click Customize. This opens a panel where you can fine-tune how your project behaves. Choose rules. Rules are the backbone of automation in Asana. They listen for triggers, like a task being marked complete, and then perform actions for you, so you don't have to manually move work along. Now create your automation rules. A common and powerful example is this. When a task is marked complete, automatically assign the next task. In the rules builder, select a trigger such as task marked complete. Then choose the action, assign task, and pick the next task in your onboarding flow. If your process has a set order, you can create a lightweight chain by repeating this pattern across your key tasks. This keeps the momentum going and ensures nothing stalls between steps. While you're building rules, set due dates and assignees automatically. For example, when a task is created from your onboarding template, have a rule assign it to the appropriate role, like the hiring manager or IT admin, and set a due date relative to the start date, such as due in 3 days. Relative due dates are especially helpful for keeping timelines consistent no matter when someone starts. Add conditions if needed, like applying different assignees based on department fields. Finally, standardize everything with templates. Create or refine an onboarding project template that includes your tasks, sections, and the rules you just built. Templates make every new onboarding project consistent, so each new hire gets the same quality experience. Keep your template tidy with clear task names, instructions in the description, and any custom fields you rely on. When you spin up a new onboarding instance, you'll get the same automations without extra setup. Before you roll this out, test the flow by completing a few tasks and confirming the next ones assigned and schedule themselves as expected. With these steps in place, your onboarding will be faster, clearer, and far more reliable.